Today it's September 30th, 2010, Thursday, 7:30 a.m. 7:36. It's currently raining on the East Coast here in Baltimore City. It's in Maryland, near DC, near Pennsylvania, 200 miles south of New York. Say it's in the northeast corridor. Yeah, it snows here during the winter. If anything south of Virginia is like officially considerably the South, right? But drink my daily dose of Inshore. Love this product, as well as Ester C and something else. This is a packet of vitamin C. It comes with like 1,000 milligrams, but the only thing is it has too much vitamin B6 or B12 in it. Actually, it lives up to its product's name as giving you a super energy boost. That vitamin B6 and B12 keep your ass up. Alright. 500 milligrams of Ester C. Could have got the 1,000 milligrams, but I like taking. At times I take 2 pills. At times I just take 1. Get my best of my vitamin C from other sources like fish or fruits or oranges or other foods or other products like Canada's Dry or something, right? I'm complimenting with this. Ensure. There's a lot of great stuff inside of it, like copper, zinc, iron, selenium, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, vitamin D. It's completely great. There you go. Take this so that I don't get too sick during the winter or fall, especially with this type of weather, like the changing of the seasons, like the jet streams of hot and cool air colliding during this time. We're fading more into the cooler jet streams of the Earth. I've been in the midst of that, like directly in contact with the changing of the seasons and the airstream and all. You could easily get sick. That's why it rains a lot during this time. Like rain, I think it's the product and condensation of like hydrogen stuff, like clouds are made out of hydrogen, having 2 different air climates colliding in with one another. Instead, it's more violent. It's not like you see, like saying the side of a glass get all I don't know, all condensed with water on the other side, like brewing or something, you know. It's like more of a aggressive reaction and all. I think I learned this in like middle school or like in Boy Scouts. I learned it at least a couple of times, like in science class. And did like my own research and or study. It's like an interesting product or an interesting topic I meant. Yeah, I think I was in Boy Scouts. And like I did a merit badge on this. I remember it from then. Like my meteorology or weather merit badge. Even though it's not official training and stuff, it's just like basic information. Yeah, hot and cool air collides. You know, sometimes tornadoes form in this because like the Earth's jet stream, like it's like a tunneling effect. Like it flows horizontally and all, but like the hot air, it's lighter than the cold air. So like the hot air, I don't know, I think it kind of tilts the cold air. Like the pressure from it, the more pressure of hot air you have, it tilts the tunneling of like the other cold air and flips it into like a vertical cyclone or vortex, thus creating a tornado. That's why some places have tornadoes and severe storms, I guess. I don't know. Unless like its temperature is balanced, like it's known to be cold air, unless it's in between, like cold and hot air and whatnot, and you likely have tornadoes there. Or if it's like predominantly hot. I don't know. I'd say like since America, like our country is like more northward than like other climates, zones, or whatnot, like we'd likely have those types of temperatures and reactions. You know, like we're in the center of like that climate stuff. The further north you go, the more colder it is. Less likely you are to have like some extreme windy reactions regarding airstreams occurring. And the further south you go, the more hotter it is. In between you are, more likely you are to caught up in some seasonal weather effect. Alright? Further north you are, the colder, more cold wintry weather you get. In between, you want to get like whatever types of weather, and the further south, it's hotter. So like places like let's say like northern Texas, or like within that heartland region alone are known for having like tornadoes due to the fact that it's probably like extremely, I don't know, like they're in the midst of like hot and cool air type of thing. I don't know. Versus if it's further north, it's known to be colder, right? So like its temperature is balanced, meaning its air streams and all this other stuff when flip and tilt and become like a tornado. I don't know. It's fascinating. Why the hell am I even talking about this? Oh yeah, I was thinking about xenobiology. Xeno, I think it's like another word for extraterrestrial, in short of like a prefix, or exobiology or xenobiology. I think exo means outer biology. Exo. But yeah, I wonder if like if we ever like came across like other types of biological life forms of the galaxy or universe, like what would their makeup be like? Like I don't know. I don't like keep referring to Star Trek, but like it's fascinating. Like a Vulcan from that, or Romulan, it look like they're elves or something. Like they look like they're completely human, but of course they have like elf ears, and their blood is green and different organs. Like 2 hearts. Like instead of having a liver, they have another heart placed there. And something, I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if they're supposed to have like 3 or 4 fingers. Like 3 fingers and 1 thumb. I don't know. It's fascinating, man. I was trying to like figure out why would certain creatures have like different colored bloods. Then I learned like it kind of makes sense though. Like their genetic makeup or composition of their blood could be like completely different from ours. Alright? Like instead of having like a I don't know, like I always wonder what gave blood its color, like our blood, human blood, and you know that blood is made of different types of minerals and composition and elements and all this other stuff. So you kind of get your idea from there, because like certain elements, they do have like certain colors to them, right? You know, like I don't want to compare blood to fireworks, but like sort of like that, like different fireworks give out certain colors because of the elements it's composed of. So those same elements, say if like a firecracker or firework contained iron, like the human body contains iron, and so does the sun. It's like everything is made of the same thing as this universe and all, right? We get our materials from the star, because the star created this planet. When the star was formed, it also formed the planet, whereas we're made of this planet, type of thing. So the same materials this planet is made of, which was made from a star, we all share a common thing here. And they're probably like septillions of numbers of stars in this known universe. So there's probably way more we can't even fucking count. Like, I don't know, you do the math of evolution and all, right? But the elements that are present in this thing here are found in the stars and then on this planet alone, which is formed from a star, which is is nothing more than a collision of a star's unused stardust, right? So, like, I don't know, it's what makes us, like carbon, I think that's another one, right? And that's what we're based upon. Like, it all came from stars and whatever and built us, but I'm like, in xenobiology, what if someone else is made of something completely different? Like, red blood is due to the fact that it's carbonated. It contains iron, this mineral here, zinc, copper. I think copper would be green or something, and manganese and all this other stuff, right? What if like another like biological figure is like completely composed of something else? You have different elements out there. You have tons of elements. Like elements that are poisonous to humans are like probably ineffective towards them. The reason why their blood is green is because they have more copper, more zinc. Uh, Consume a lot of vegetation or something. I don't know. Could consume this poisonous item. Like titanium is like a component within their blood composure or something. Who knows? Instead of like iron or something, right? I don't know. It's fascinating though, man. Like, if we are made of stars, because like in order to be like, in order to have a planet, it has to be a star system in the first place. Unless it's like a giant remnant of like asteroids or whatever I once did and still left a mark. So I think once our solar system is, I think like within our solar system, I was going to mention something about the Oort cloud. Like the like like the Oort cloud is probably evident of like a past star system or something. Maybe we had like a massive star here that went supernova and like spread forth like different elements and comets and stuff. I don't know. Where's the sun formed from it somehow? Like recycled the process. I don't know. But yeah, like the Oort cloud is nothing more than like a massive asteroid belt, I think. I'm lost right now, man. I just need to collect my thoughts. Kind of woke up. Ah, man. But yeah. Stars. There's like a song from a guy named Moby. He's right. Like, we all are made of stars. 100% right. The elements come from stars. Stars are nothing more than a giant reaction of different elements and chemicals bonding with one another. It's like a giant natural kennel. Right? It's beyond like a lot of biological creatures, like, such as ourselves, comprehension and or abilities. Excuse me. We depend on the star in various ways, right? For one, to be formed and or composed of it, like life itself is like a chemical reaction, biological reaction. There's like biological stuff is based upon chemical reactions. Like we are walking, living, breathing chemical reactions around. Your blood is nothing more than a intricate chemical like composed of a system of different reactions. I don't know. And what else is gonna think of? And brains can describe that chemical reaction. Whereas we depend on the sun, consume other chemicals that are healthy for us, like plants, you know, which also depend on the sun for photosynthesis and processing and all this other stuff. And like other chemicals, I don't know, like water. Water is an important chemical that every fucking life form on this planet needs. It's composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, right? Yeah. Hydrogen to oxygen. Chemical of life, abundance of life, found in that chemical. I don't know. It's like a random vlog. My diary for today, since I no longer chronologize on MySpace. I should use that. I don't need to change my MySpace name, right?